In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your settings here in Roblox Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is an extremely simple method, but essentially what you're going to want to do is first get loaded into the main little hub area and hit the little settings gear just like so. This is a little settings icon at the bottom of your screen, and you're going to have a bunch of different stuff on here. For example, if you want to change like your graphic settings, you go into your video settings. You can change like your shadows, textures, and stuff, as well as performance settings in here as well. But if you need to change audio, you go into these audio settings. This stuff like music and sound effects. On top of that, you have your controls and keybinds in your game settings. This is also stuff for like FOV, HUD, and crosshair. And then of course, crosshair obviously allows you to go ahead and change your crosshair itself. Hotkeys is even more binds depending on which platform you're currently on. But yeah, just the settings however much you would like, and then of course you can always reset them in this section, but that really is the entire process. That is how you can change your settings here in Roblox Rivals. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.